In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a trigger in Klaviyo. Whether you're tweaking an existing flow for better performance or adapting to new strategies for your email marketing, understanding how to expertly navigate and modify triggers in Klaviyo is essential. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you can follow along easily and make the necessary adjustments to your Klaviyo flows. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website and click on the login button. This is your gateway to accessing the wealth of features Klaviyo offers for enhancing your email marketing efforts. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to input the credentials associated with your Klaviyo account. If you're a returning user, your browser might have saved your login details, making this process a tad smoother. After entering your login details, proceed to click on login once more. Successfully doing so will take you to the home dashboard of Klaviyo, where you're presented with an overview of your recent activity and performance analytics. This dashboard is the heart of Klaviyo, giving you insights and access to all the tools you need to enhance your email marketing campaigns. Now that you're in, it's time to dive into the core of today's tutorial, adjusting triggers in your flows. To get started, locate and click on the Flows option on the dashboard. This section houses all the automated sequences you've set up or plan to establish, from welcome series to abandoned cart recovery emails. In the Flows section, find the specific flow you wish to tweak. If you're looking to experiment or make substantial changes, consider cloning the flow first. This creates a copy of the flow, allowing you to make adjustments without affecting the live version. Simply click on Clone next to the flow you're interested in modifying. A dialog box will pop up confirming your action. Click on Continue and then Clone Flow to finalize the cloning process. With your cloned flow ready, it's time to change its trigger. For example, if you're focused on altering a cancelled order flow, navigate within your cloned flow until you find the cancelled order trigger. Clicking on this trigger will highlight it, indicating it's ready to be modified. Once you've selected your desired trigger, in our case cancelled order, you will likely be presented with options or further settings related to this specific trigger. Adjust these settings according to the new trigger requirements you have in mind. Remember, Klaviyo's intuitive interface often includes helpful tips and guides in pop-up messages or got it confirmations, ensuring you're never left in the dark. If you encounter one of these helpful hints after adjusting your trigger, click on Got It or the equivalent option to proceed. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the process of changing a trigger within a Klaviyo flow. Remember, the beauty of email marketing and automation lies in continuous testing and optimization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different triggers and settings to find what works best for your audience and business goals. Before wrapping up, a couple of pro tips to keep in mind. Always review the performance of the changes you make. Klaviyo provides robust analytics that can help you understand the impact of any adjustments. Consider A/B testing different triggers against each other to quantitatively measure which one performs better for your specific goals. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process of changing triggers in Klaviyo flows for you. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to fine-tune your email marketing strategies, ensuring they remain as effective and relevant as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to dive in and start optimizing your email flows today.